back to my YouTube channel. You know how we roll. My name is Dami Rachel and I'm a Nigerian living in Finland. So today I want to be talking to you guys about how to package your palm oil. As an African, as a Nigerian, tell me how possible it is for you to survive in the abroad without palm oil. It is like it won't be easy. So that is why I'm bringing you this tip today. Personally, I felt it wasn't going to be easy for me starting afresh in a new country without palm oil. So I know there is no amount of palm oil you would bring that wouldn't finish, but at least something to sustain you for the time being, because it's not as if palm oil is not available in most of these countries you are going to, but believe you me, they are quite expensive for a starter. It's going to be very expensive. So I'm going to be telling you the tips that I put in place to bring mine down to Finland. I came with about 5 liters of palm oil, if you ask me, and none of them was confiscated. I successfully moved in with everything. So I'm going to be attaching clips of how I packaged the palm oil. And now that I'm here, I've been here for about 2 months now, so I just decided to show you guys what I came with, how I packaged it, then should I say unbox my palm oil with me. So I'm just going to show you how I was able to travel with my palm oil. So here is one. This is the only one that I've opened in all of the palm oil that I brought. I've only used this maybe twice or thereabouts. This. So number 1 tip, please, if you are coming with palm oil, make sure you package it very well. The best thing, one of the best packaging you can do is to buy this liquid pouch. It is very useful, very useful. It wouldn't burst. No, it can't. It is very important to get some of this. So, and if you feel maybe this is expensive for you, or you can't easily access them, then you can do bottles. So I bought 2 of these. This is one, and here is the other one. And I packaged the remaining palm oil in bottles. Here I have 2 bottles, and these PET bottles, please, PET bottles. So I'm going to be unwrapping them to see how I packaged them. Where's my scissors? Okay, I'm just going to be careful. So I used bubble wraps, cling film, paper, and sellotape. Yes, I wrapped the life out of this palm oil. As I was wrapping with cling film, I wrapped again with bubble wraps. I'm just trying to be careful, okay, so I don't burst the oil. Can you see? My palm oil. You're so happy I am to come with this. Funniest thing is that here in my city, There is no African market, no African store. So imagine me coming without this. How would I have survived it? So I have this. This is 1 liter of palm oil. This is another 1 liter of palm oil. Because this is wrapped, it's been wrapped since August. Yes, since I was leaving Nigeria, and this is October. I'm just unwrapping this exactly 2 months after I'm unwrapping. So it's been protected away from the temperature, so it's been at room temperature. That is why it's in the liquid form. Then you see this one is passing through a lot. It's going through a lot. We are in autumn at the moment, and the temperature is freezing, so that is why this one is solidified. So this is the only one I've opened before now. So another way for you to wrap your palm oil is using bottle. Using a PET bottle. The same way I wrapped this is the same way I wrapped this. So wrapping your palm oil this way doesn't guarantee you scaling through at the airport with all of the palm oil. Please, I am not saying that the scanner won't detect your palm oil. No, I won't, because I don't know if it detects it or not. But if you wrap it this way, I can guarantee you that your palm oil will not spill and will not stain any of your luggages, talk less of staining other people's luggages. So that is the main purpose behind this. It might be detected and it might not. I'm not in the rightful position to tell you whether it will be detected or not, please. But at least this was what I did, and I was able to travel with it. See the layer now. See the layer of cling film I wrapped it with. Very big. So my Nigerian ever bottle made it to Finland. And my Mr. V bottle made it to Finland. So thank you for watching. We've come to the end of the video, and here see you again in my next video. Bye.